Right, welcome back to another video. It's me and Andy tonight. We are in a World War II air raid shelter. I won't be giving this location out, so don't ask for it. Yeah, I don't know what they was, I don't know if they were beds.
The beds.
See, my head sorts are just broke as well, so right, hope with the best, but
You're dead end now.
that's what we've got for tonight. Wow, look at that. See, they're supposed to go on for ages. It's down here. I haven't even got my mask on. Right, it just goes all the way down. So you can get down to that in a different way in a minute. It's all there now. These are crazy, these, aren't they? So you don't even, I don't know if these are the ones, but one of them held up to like 5,000 people. I'm making noises like that, lad. Wow. Wow.
Look at that.
Is it a Taurus? Let's see, turn around this corner in a minute. Right, so coming on now. Got left. Left again. All down here. Get the size of this place, man. There's one big red house outside that now. Wow, look at that, it just goes on.
Look at that. Weird, yeah. Why have you done that?
Oh, where's that boss?
Oh, yeah.
I can see on there. So look down here. Have we missed out here?
Yeah, it goes on that way as well, but...
Yeah, but it goes on again here now.
Very strange.
Nice. Wish my head torch was working or. Absolutely crazy.
Why are we all like a little bit of it?
So you have to get over there and get down there. So what happened up down here? It's absolutely massive. This place is like a maze.
Oh yeah, it's that
Yeah, yeah. So it saves a good walk, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we got a picture of that there down there. God. Same there as well. Mental down here. Absolutely mental, look at that.
How quiet it is. Decent and bad.
Someone comes up. I can hear us all the beds, yeah, look at that.
Yeah, that's all.
Absolutely mental. That's it, get some proper pictures of it here. Right, so we just come from this way, but there's just different ways leading off everywhere, look at that. All the way down there. Now we're going to have a look up here. Said it was on for miles, or a mile. Can't believe we finally got inside it. See all my torches. Look at that, man, that's mental.
reckon this might link up to the other one?
That's what I thought originally, like, that's what I had in mind. Can't get pictures. Why am I'm videoing? It saves stopping then.
Like the wire, the light.
Right, it just goes on and on and on. That way it might be a dead end by the looks of it. I'll take this way. Oh, you got no light though, have you? You managed with that? Sure, I've already been here. Wow! This is amazing, look at them. Oh my god, that must have been the original entrance. That's absolutely quality. I shall have a bit of light for you, but you can still see it. It's amazing that. Are you going to see what I've found down here, Andy? And down there it just carries on.
That probably linked up to it.
Carries on and on and on. Right, so we've just been to the top of there, took a few photos, and we carry on down this big long stretch now. It's like a proper maze, look at that. It's absolutely mental. Squeezing front you there. Hope this light don't run out, lad. Just leads to a dead end, this. That doesn't, oh wow.
Yeah. That goes down as well.
These must be the ones that held up to 5,000 people. See that noise there? Hey! It's not in that noise. What? I heard the noise then. I swear to God, I heard the noise.
Someone else can come in.
The camera's not focusing. Come on. Lots of different ways to go, aren't there? See, we're in the middle where we took the photos, aren't we? That would have been enough entrance at one point, didn't it? There would have been loads.
Downhill, isn't it?
Yeah, just deeper. Deeper and deeper on the ground.
It's just spooky, isn't it?
It's mental down here, like. With acceleration.
Definitely going downhill, isn't it?
Going deeper and deeper, innit? I wonder where we are now. Full of bricks and everything here.
Someone smashed that down, haven't they? Being bricked up.
Full of bricks.
Oh, what's that? The toilet? What would have been toilet?
Well, I've seen toilets like. I've seen them on the other pictures as well. Look at that, fucking hell. When's it going to stop? Absolutely mental, this. Whoa.
Ooh, was that already been?
Yeah. The only why I'm just pausing a bit on the camera, just trying to take photos as well. Crazy!
Just scroll everywhere.
Let's tell you if once you're at this video. Coming back here, we're going to get a better torch. All my torches are broke. Someone cut it. Wow, Jesus Christ. mental. Just carries on and on and on. Absolutely mental. I just found where all the toilet area was and that. Now we're moving on from here. It's just one mental.
That goes off that way.
Which way have we already been?
Through there, I think we come from that way.
Should we go this way then, shouldn't we? And turn left there. So you got to the bottom.
Yeah.
Let's have a look.
That the window there?
Yeah, this carries on. Fucking mental, this place. I can't stop saying that, but it is. Just had a bit of light for it. Wow. Just keeps going round and round. This light's going dimmer and dimmer, you know.
Press it again, make it dim.
Yeah, but it's going dimmer.
It'll last longer though.
But you can't see nothing on the video then. So you can't see out on video though, that doesn't it?
No, we need it to last, didn't it? Not get fucking lost.
Right, it's flashing now, what does that mean?
Yeah, good idea. You can see with that for now.
Nah, I can't see honestly, it's just in the video.
I know, but it's not going to last till we get out.
Can't believe my head torch is broke. Definitely coming back to this place. You get some pictures.
You look at the women.
Oh, looks like someone's sleeping there. They can't know what's going on there.
I think this is the place where there's that cardboard cutout and that.
It's crazy.
Set up for shit.
Oh, I can't see it all. Can't see anything on this. I'm just going to take pictures, mate. So I'll get you some bit more video here. See, it goes on for miles. This. See, it's that way anyway. Look at that. Really, isn't it? Way. Tunnel after tunnel after tunnel. Very disappointing about this light situation tonight, me though. After that sneaky finding it.
Oh, listen. Oh yeah, this is where we come in.
It's that, I was just in a circle.
That way, innit? In here.
Yeah. That's crazy, that.
Look at it, it's dry there.
There must be other parts to it. Do you want to have a look or should we make a return to this? I say we do a return. How would the lights aren't going to last today?
I don't know, we can walk around it. Come on.
I wanted to get my head torch on. It might die though.
Right. So we need to go this way because that's the way we just come from. Right?
It's a proper maze on you. It's just a complete maze. Yeah, because I think our boss was back to that door.
No, I don't believe it.
These, ladies and gentlemen, as you've already heard, World War II raid shelters. Absolutely massive one, this one. Probably half, like I said, if I've always said that. Not all. Where does that lead to?
Being filled in.
Look, so, have we been to this before? Sure we have, that bricks up wall. Unless it's a different one. Not sure, to be honest. I think I took enough photos now. Got my head torch back on, so we're going to have a little wonder, see if we can get further than what we just did. Have we been down there? Oh, see, it's just all different ways, isn't it? Yeah, we've walked past here, haven't we, with them two doors there. Yeah, so it's this way then, isn't it? Yeah. We've entered into the unknown. That's what this is. Not really how big they are. These are all beds, by the way, and these just been lying on one. I've seen this before. Haven't you? Wow, look at this. This just goes up. How should we be walking up the road down?
This is the view road down.
See, so we're not finding anywhere new, are we? I think we've covered, didn't we?
Somewhere it's not been because there's been a few little turn-offs.
I don't think I've seen this, have you?
If we go back through it, we'll get to near them steps.
Got old radio or something there.
Wow.
Right, so yeah, just carrying on the video. I think we might have done everywhere, but it's just a maze, basically. You end up walking around in circles, are you? Yeah, so, oh yeah, we've been, say it, yeah, we must have covered it then.
There's a fresh leaf banana.
But I'm sure I've seen ladders, me. We could have found a completely different one.
That's God's nil.
And that could be ours. Hey, don't say any names.
Cut that banana. No, the other one. There must be a way into the other one then. Bit more clear.
Yeah, there is. There's 3 different ones. Yeah. You know which one of them is, what I can't say.
That's a big bike wheel, that might be a motorbike.
Let's see what's down here. Absolutely crazy. Look at all the chisel, all the pickaxe marks though, where they've hacked it out. Tell you what, some work. I've seen them all.
Oh, that's all we have.
Yeah, all the pickaxe marks on the walls and that. Cold seeing it.
Oh, you can still see it all.
Yeah. Crazy.
When was it done?
Years ago, wasn't it?
100 years ago. Oh, first World War.
Something like that. We're squeezing in front of you there, look. So, have we been down here?
I don't remember this, to be honest.
I don't remember that.
Oh,
That's
that's not good, that.
not good.
That supports the ceiling, doesn't it?
They're always saying that. Whoa. I've just done the exact same thing. See, Michael dress look, come off me. See, this is it. We've covered it, my friend. We definitely have. Until Urban Asylum can give me any further information, because this might be a totally different one.
Digging out of there, a little bit.
Absolutely crazy. So yeah, it was quite a short one this, to be honest, considering the size of it. But you've seen what you needed to see. I am going to come back with a better light. So in the meantime, do us a favour, go over to my Facebook page, give that a like and a follow. Head over to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button. In the meantime, yo, adios.